Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this BOSE quietcomfort second generation, and this is also similar like BOSE quietcomfort Ultra second generation. So in these earbuds, the right side earbud is not working, completely dead, so it is not pairing. So the problem should be battery. So I am planning to replace the battery of this right side earbud so that we can check whether this can be used again or not. So alright, without wasting any time, let me tear this down. So first I am going to take off this ear tip, so I am keeping this separately here, and now I am going to take out this rubber part like this. So I am going to keep this separately here. So we have to give some mild heat over here. So if you give more heat, chances of damaging the device is there. So we have to give very less heat so that we can take this apart, because this is glued here. So let me give some heat and take this apart. So I have given the heat, and you can see there is a sect here. So the housing has been divided in two parts. You should not pull this. There will be flex cable here, battery will be here, there will be many flex cable going around. So this is very expensive earbud. This is around 25,000 rupees. So this is very fresh running model of BOSE quietcomfort Ultra, or BOSE quietcomfort Ultra 2, or BOSE quietcomfort 2. Further, to take this out, we have to pry the battery from the top side so that the battery will come at the bottom side, this side. Then we can lift the battery slowly. Still flex cable will be there. If you want me to replace the battery of this type of earbuds or this earbud, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can ship it to my address. I can share you my address through WhatsApp. You can send it through speed post courier or any private courier. So I will receive it, I will replace the battery, and I will ship it back to your address. So alright, let's continue further. I have to remove the battery here, so let me take that out slowly, carefully. It is very difficult to show in the video because I may end up breaking the flex cable. If the flex cable is broken, then the earbuds will be of no use. So let me give some heat and take out the battery here. So now I have taken out the top part here. So you can see I have pried out here. So battery is connected to this divider. This is also part of a housing. So battery is pasted to this plate, plastic plate, but we have to take out this part apart from this battery so that we can lift the battery and take out the battery. So again you can see there is a tiny flex cable. I will show you here by zooming in. So it goes to ANC mic and as well as speaker. So be careful while trying this out, otherwise you will end up breaking this flex cable. This flex cable is once broken, then that's it, the game is over. So alright, now I have to pry this black part here, top of the battery, then we can lift the battery. So I will give some mild heat over here because this is pasted again using some glue. So let me remove this and I will show you how to take out the battery here. So as you can see, I have taken out this housing part, the middle part, which divides the speaker and the ANC mic with the battery. So I have to take this apart. Still this part is connected through flex cable. Be careful while taking this out. So after removing this plastic part, we can lift the battery here. So behind battery there will be multiple flex cables, so very carefully we have to remove, otherwise you will end up breaking the flex cable. And even if you want me to replace the battery, I am from Bangalore, you can message to this WhatsApp number and you can send it to me from any part of India. I can replace the battery and send it, as I have already done so many earbuds battery replacement throughout India. People are sending, so I am very grateful to them. So alright, without wasting any time, let's continue. So I have to take this part out, then I will lift the battery and I will show here. So you can see I have taken out this part. So this part separates the speaker and ANC mic to the battery. So alright, now let me keep this separately. Now you can see the flex cable, main flex cable. So further we have to lift the battery here. You can see battery is just tangling over here. So we have to lift the battery here slowly. So still the battery is stuck. You can see the positive terminal red wire is there just going on the battery. So I'm just going to cut it through scissor so that we can lift it easily. So let me cut this and check how it comes out. So finally I have taken out the battery after lots of struggling. So you can see how many flex cables are there inside going here and there. So this is the flex cable which is pasted behind the battery. So you need to be very careful while removing the battery, otherwise you will pull this flex cable, you will break it while lifting the battery. So very carefully we have to remove it. So finally I have taken out the battery without breaking anything, without damaging anything. So just now I have to connect battery and again put back all the things together so that it may start working if the battery is the issue. So now I am going to keep this earbud separately. So first let me check the voltage of this existing battery, whether it is because of the battery it is not working or because of some other issue. So let me check the voltage of the battery. So now let me set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here. So this is the DC battery here. So alright, now let me check the voltage of the battery. So you can see there is no voltage here, just 1.6867 is there. So battery is dead. So if we replace the battery, the earbuds will start working again. So I am going to use this first quality battery here. So this is the battery. So I am going to use here. So just we have to install the red to red and black to black. So I am going to install this. Let me show you how to do that. So this is the battery I am going to use. So just I have to install black wire to the negative terminal of the battery and red wire to positive terminal of the battery, red wire to positive terminal of the battery. Then I have to insulate it so that short circuit should not happen. So let me solder these two wires here in these two terminal. So finally I have installed the battery. You can see red has gone to positive terminal and black has gone to negative terminal of the battery. Now it's time to insulate the battery here so that short circuit will not happen. Alright, so you can even after replacing the battery, the earbuds is behaving in the same pattern. So I have connected the battery like this externally to check. So once I install, once I put the earbuds in the case, so the orange light is coming here. So if I take out, fine, but when I insert like this, you can see the orange light is coming here like this. So I have checked the voltage here. Even the motherboard of this side of earbud is not giving the voltage and neither it is turning on. So I think the problem in the earbuds motherboard, this side earbud motherboard. So in case if the motherboard was good, then definitely this would have turned on. I have replaced many earbuds. After replacing the battery, generally it turns on. So in this case it is not turning on because of the bad motherboard here. So alright, fine, just I wanted to give this information. So I will put it back together because we cannot do nothing, we cannot do much for this earbud. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.